Morning children, let's start exercise 5.1. Okay, so see first question, how many lines can be drawn through a given point? So see children, this is a given point. Suppose this is a given point O. Okay, so how many lines can pass through a given point? See children, unlimited lines. Okay, so unlimited lines can pass through a given point O. Okay, O is the given point and unlimited lines can be drawn. Second question, how many lines can be drawn through two distinct given points? Okay, suppose two distinct points are given A and B. So how many lines pass through it? Only one line. Okay, only one line can pass through the point A and B. Then see third, how many lines can we draw through three collinear points? So children, you know the collinear points. Collinear points means points lie on the same plane. Okay, so how many lines can be drawn through three collinear points? Suppose three collinear points are given, A, B and C. So only one line. Okay, only one line can be drawn through three collinear points. Then see fourth question, mark three non-collinear points A, B and C. So they are collinear. Non-collinear means they do not lie on the same plane. Okay, suppose three non-collinear points are given, A, this is A, this is B and this is C. Okay, so what is given in your question? Mark three non-collinear points A, B and C in your notebook. Draw a line through these points. Okay, draw a line through these points taking two at a time. Condition is given, take only 2 points at a time and name these lines. So how many such different lines can be drawn? Simply 3 lines can be drawn. Okay, see children, they are non-collinear point A, B and C. Okay, draw first line AB, then second is BC and third is CA. Okay, so 3 lines name AB, BC and AC. Okay, then come to the next question. Question number 5. Using the adjoining figure to name. Okay, this is the figure. The figure is given in question number 5. ठीक है, ये आपके पास फिगर दिया है. अब आपको इन पॉइंट्स के, इन क्वेश्चंस के आंसर देने हैं. तो 5 पॉइंट्स. सो चिल्ड्रन, यू नो द पॉइंट. पॉइंट मीन्स सिंपली अ डॉट. ओके, तो फाइंड आउट द पॉइंट्स. देखो D, E, O, B and C. They are the points. Okay, so write here D, E, O, B, C. Then second question, a line. So children, line means it has not a definite length. ठीक है, it extended on both side. तो more answers are possible in second one. तो draw, आप इसमें एक line का example लिख दो. A line, this is देखो DB, this is a line, DB is a line. देखो D and B extend on both side, तो this is a line. Okay, then third 4 rays. तो rays का मतलब होता है it extend only in one direction. One point is fixed, ठीक है, and the other point extend endlessly. तो write down here 4 rays. तो the 4 rays are, देखो OC, ये एक रे हो गया. O is the fixed point, C extended. OB is also a ray. Okay, this is the symbol of ray. Then DO, DO is another ray. OD, देखो O and D, OD and DB. Okay, so more answers are possible. Then 5 line segment. So children, line segment means have a fixed length. Okay, the line have a fixed length, has a definite length. So 5 line segment like OB. Okay, then OC, OE, ED, DO. So more answers are possible. Okay, in fourth one. Then question number 6. Use the adjoining figure to name line containing point E. See the figure children, line containing point E. This is the point E. Okay, so line containing point E is AE. So AE is the line. ठीक है, E lies on AE. Okay, so AE, but more answers are possible. Then second, line passing through A. See children, this is A. ठीक है, तो line passing through A से कौन सी line pass हो रही है? AE. Okay, then line on which point O lies. तो line on which point O lies. See, this is point O. ठीक है, तो line on which point O lies is OC. OC is the line, ठीक है, and point O lies on it. Then two pairs of intersecting line. So children, intersecting lines means, देखो ये intersecting lines होती है. Two lines are said to be intersecting lines if they intersect with each other at a common point. ठीक है, जैसे देखो ये A, B and C, D, they are intersecting line and they intersect with each other at O. Okay, so you have to write two pairs of intersecting line. So two pairs of intersecting line, like देखो AE, देखो AE and OC, देखो AE and OC intersect at B. Okay, second pair of intersecting line is देखो AE and EF, they intersect at E. Okay, so they are called the intersecting lines. Then come to the next question. From the adjoining figure, write. See children, this is your figure, okay, in question number 7. Collinear points. So collinear points means the points lie on the same plane. Okay, so find out the collinear points. Collinear points देखो A, D and C. देखो A, D, C, they are collinear points. They lie on the same line. Okay, they lie on the same line. Line Q. ठीक है, line Q is the line and A, D and C, they are collinear points. They lie on the same line. Second pair is B, D, E. देखो B, D, E line is N, ये N line है and B, D and E they lie on the same plane. ठीक है. Then concurrent line and their points of concurrence. देखो concurrent lines का मतलब क्या होता है? Two or more intersecting line passing through the same point. ठीक है, they are called concurrent line and they all are passing through the same point. जैसे suppose this is point P, they all are passing through point P, so they are called concurrent line. Okay, so you have to write the concurrent lines and their points of concurrence. Okay, अब यहाँ पे आप देखो line L and third line is P. ठीक है, L, N and P, the concurrent point is B. ठीक है, the concurrent point is B. Line L and P, they pass through the point P. ठीक है, then second is MPQ. MPQ and the concurrent point is A. ठीक है, M, P and Q line, they all are passing through point A, so they are concurrent line. Clear children? So complete children, in exercise 5.1 complete question 1 to 7 in your book. Okay, thank you.